Albert Genius is a paid subscription inside the Albert app that gives access to features like financial advice tools and cash advance options, but it is separate from your core Albert account access. By the end, you'll know how cancellation actually works, what happens to your account after you cancel, and how to avoid losing access to basic app features. Albert Genius is not the same thing as your Albert account. That separation is important, because canceling Genius affects subscription features, not your ability to use the app itself for basic banking tools. Now explain how cancellation works. To cancel Albert Genius, you typically manage the subscription inside the app settings, or through the platform where you originally subscribed, such as your mobile App Store billing section. Now, explain what changes after canceling. When Genius is canceled, you lose access to premium features tied to the subscription. These can include advanced financial insights and certain cash advance-related benefits depending on your plan. Now explain what usually stays active. Your main Albert account can still remain active for basic functions, depending on your account status. That means cancellation does not automatically delete your profile or disconnect your bank account. Now explain timing. Subscription cancellations usually take effect at the end of the current billing period, so access to Genius features may continue until that cycle ends. Now explain common mistake. A common issue users run into is canceling through the app, but not confirming the cancellation in the actual billing provider, which can lead to continued charges. Now explain how to avoid losing access incorrectly. The key is to separate two actions: canceling the subscription and maintaining your base account. Only the subscription layer should be removed if you want to keep basic app access. Now explain what to double-check. After cancellation, it is important to verify your subscription status inside both the Albert app and your phone subscription settings to confirm it is fully stopped. Now, put it in perspective. Canceling Albert Genius is designed to remove premium features, not shut down your entire account. The goal is to downgrade, not delete access completely. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert Genius can be canceled without losing your core Albert account, as long as you cancel the subscription correctly and confirm it through the right billing system. Do this next. Check your active subscriptions on your device and confirm the cancellation date inside Albert before assuming it is fully turned off. If you want to keep basic access to Albert while removing paid features, cancel Genius, but keep your main account active and verified.